Excessive coffee consumption has been linked to conditions such as heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. Still, recent research suggests that coffee may actually be beneficial to our health if we drink it in moderation. Here's how to do that. The healthiest way to drink coffee, according to researchers. How much coffee should you drink? Coffee has been shown to offer a host of health benefits, from lowered risk of death to improved mental health and decreased risk of stroke. But how much coffee should you drink to reap these rewards? The study revealed that drinking 2 to 3 cups per day is best. More than this may not provide additional benefits and can increase the risks of anxiety, high blood pressure, and cardiovascular disease. What kind of coffee should you drink? Coffee beans are one of the world's most extensively sprayed crops. The washing or roasting process removes many pesticides, but not all. Look for an organic certification seal on coffee packaging, and the word organic on menu options in your favorite coffee shop. What's the healthiest way to brew coffee? There are many different ways to brew coffee, but not all of them are created equal when it comes to health benefits. For example, filter brewing produces coffee with the lowest levels of caffeine, a compound that can raise cholesterol levels. A study published online by the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology on April 22, 2020, discovered that filtering coffee, for example with a paper filter, rather than just boiling ground coffee beans and drinking the water, was better for health, particularly for older adults. Although the study is observational and does not prove that filtered coffee is healthier than unfiltered coffee, it makes sense. Unfiltered coffee includes diterpenes, which can boost cholesterol levels. And studies claim that a cup of unfiltered coffee contains 30 times more diterpenes than a cup of filtered coffee, so use the coffee filter. Reserve the French press or Turkish unfiltered coffee for special occasions. And limit your coffee consumption to less than 5 cups per day on average. What else can you do to boost its health benefits? In addition to drinking coffee the right way, there are a few other things you can do to boost its health benefits. For example, you can add sugar-free creamer to your coffee. If you want a creamier taste without the calories and sugar that come with regular creamers. You can also add spices like cinnamon or nutmeg for extra flavor and health benefits. Cinnamon is high in antioxidants. And finally, we recommend staying away from microwaving your coffee, as it has been shown to destroy some of the healthy antioxidants present in the drink. Finally, coffee is one of the most commonly consumed beverages in the world, and recent research has suggested that it may have some health benefits. However, it's important to remember that coffee is still a calorie-dense drink, and adding sugar or cream can quickly negate any potential benefits. If you're looking to reap the maximum health benefits from your coffee habit, stick to black coffee, or coffee with a small amount of milk. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there will be more meaningful and valuable tips coming after this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the video's comment section. And thank you very much for watching.